my channel. My name is Ishika and today's video is going to be a Nykaa shopping haul video plus a recommendation video also, because the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale is live and you can get up to flat 60% off on all the brands. So it's a very great opportunity to buy products from Nykaa, because ऐसा opportunity बार बार नहीं आता है and मैंने तो बहुत सारा चीजें खरीद लिया है, and that's why I'm bringing this video for you guys so that you can also purchase certain things and get huge discounts on them. So without any more further blabbering, let's jump into the video. First, let me show you the parcels that I received. So this is the parcel that I received from Nykaa and it's too many products over here. So chalo time nahi waste karte abhi. First, let us start with nails, and for nails I got 3 nail pens. So these are the nail pens and all the 3 nail pens are from Nykaa. So these are the Nykaa nail enamel polish and this particular shade is Rustic Rose 264, and जो भी prices है ना मैं screen पर mention कर दूंगी. Moving on, this is the next shade and this is a bit nudish kind of a shade and इसका नाम है Ginger Nut Biscuit 52, and the last one is this pink poppy pink color and इसका जो नाम है वो है Strawberry Soda 267, and all of these nail polishes are super affordable and it doesn't chip off easily, and these nail polishes dry really fast, so I really love that factor about these nail polishes. So you can definitely give this Nykaa nail pens a shot and I'm sure you will love these nail polishes. So now moving on to the next thing. The next product is also a nail product, but it is not a nail polish or nail paint remover. It is a nail care kind of a thing. So this is the next item and this is the Vadi Herbals Nail and Cuticle Oil with jojoba oil. And after so much of nail polishes and stick-on nails, या फिर अगर आप nail क्या कर रहे हैं nail extension करवाते हो, so your nails are super dry and your cuticles area are also not so in a good condition, so this comes in handy. and ये वाला जो है ये एक oil है जो एकदम nourish करके रखता है आपके skin को cuticles and nails के around. So I'll be highly recommending you all to purchase this because it is a must have and it is super affordable also. Now moving on to the next product. The next product is in hair oil and this is the hair oil I'm talking about. This is the Wishcare's 100% pure cold pressed castor oil, and castor oil is supposed to reduce the excessive hair loss, and Wishcare as a brand in general is doing super good in the industry, so I generally love using Wishcare's brand product. So I'm looking forward to use this hair oil, and it even comes with an applicator, and this applicator you can just replace it with a cap and directly apply the oil into your hair. But I generally don't like using this applicator because this oil itself is super thick and you have to dilute this oil with coconut oil, so it doesn't make any sense for me to apply this thick oil into your scalp. It will make your hair super greasy, so I would not recommend using this cap. But this hair oil itself is good, so you can give it a shot also. The next product is a body wash, and this is the body wash I want to recommend to you guys. I personally don't use body washes, but this particular body wash was recommended by Mridul Sharma and she is one of my favorite YouTubers. You might also have heard about her. So this was recommended by her on her Instagram story. So I got to know about this brand by her. So this is the St.Ivis. I don't know if I am pronouncing it correctly or not. This is the pampering body wash and it has got vanilla and oat milk, and I have really high expectations about this product. Let us see how the smell is now. Okay, the smell of this body wash is divine. It smells like vanilla and coconut type, so it's good as a body wash. Now I'm not sure that it is hydrating or not, but this is cruelty free, it is plant based, and they have used recycled plastic, and this bottle contains 650 ml of product. And yeah, that was all about this product. Now the further more information can be given by me only after I use this product itself. So now let's move on to the next product. Next product is a lip balm, and this is the Wishcare Tinted Ceramide Lip Balm, which contains SPF 50, PA+++, and it even contains kojic acid and niacinamide, and I am really looking forward to use this lip balm as Wishcare is a good brand and it is supposed to reduce the lip pigmentation also. So yeah, and now moving on to the next product. Next is this and this is also by the brand Wishcare, and it is this rose water I've been loving since a decade now, and I have already talked a lot about this particular rose water. And this is a full new packaged product, and this product contains 200 ml, and this rose water is super hydrating to your skin, and as a toner it does wonders for your skin, so you really have to try it for yourself. Now moving on to the next product. So in a sale, if you don't purchase a lipstick, I think you are not a girl. And I just shopped a lot of lipsticks, as you can see, and all of these lipsticks are by the brand Mars, and I generally love Mars products. And now also the BB cream that I'm wearing is by the brand Mars only, so you can understand how obsessed I am with Mars product. So this is the first lipstick from the brand Mars. This is the Mars Popstar Non-Drying Liquid Mousse Lipstick, and this is in the shade 18 Hot Topic. And the Mars lipstick just looks so luxurious, as you can see, but it is super inexpensive, and this is the thing I just love about Mars. They are super affordable, and this lipstick is supposed to have a moussey texture. Let us see that it has fragrance or not. It is a mild fragrance, and it will not last. As soon as you apply the lipstick, the fragrance will vanish. So this is the lipstick, and I'll be even providing the swatches also, so make sure you see the swatches. So this particular lipstick is really beautiful, and even the shade is super pretty. And yes, now moving on to the next lipstick. So this is the next lipstick, and this is the Mars Color Bomb Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade 13 Jaipuri Pink. And I have to open the packaging. पहले वाले का मैंने पहले ही खोल दिया था बिकॉज मुझे बिल्कुल भी सब्र नहीं हुआ था, सो इसका मैं अभी खोल रही हूँ. Just look at the packaging, guys. It is so pretty. And now let me see how the lipstick itself is. It has also got a mild fragrance, and even the shade is super pretty, guys. Now I'm not applying this lipstick because I already have a lipstick on, so overall these lipsticks are super good. Mars products are doing a great job in the makeup industry. Now moving on to the next lipstick, and this is a crayon lipstick, and it is also from Mars only. It has got two different shades in two ends, and this is the reason I got it. It is a little pricey than the previous two lipstick, but it is not expensive at all. The difference will be like 100 rupees only, and you get two lipsticks, so it is a justified deal. So this is in the shade Rose Punch 02, and it has got a red kind of a shade in one end, and it is retractable. This is so pretty, the color, oh my god. And if you mix these colors, it will look so bomb. This is the other shade of lipstick. This is a crayon lipstick, by the way, and this is a nude kind of a shade. So this particular lipstick can be worn in 3 different styles. Like you can use this particular shade at once, or you can go for the other shade, or you can mix both of these shades to get a custom shade of your own. So these lipsticks are very versatile, and now I have a lot of Mars lipsticks, and I'm super happy about this because these are of good quality also, and that matters to me the most. The lipsticks that I purchase and invest my money into should be of good quality, so these are of really good quality. Now you are not ready for it, but I got a free lipstick from Mars. It is just sent to me randomly. I don't know about the shade, but this lipstick I wanted to purchase, but I didn't because I already purchased 3, and I'm so happy that they sent me this particular lipstick as a gift. So let me see how this lipstick is. This is in the shade 5 Formal Day, and this is the Mars Nude Transfer Butter Stick. Okay, let me see how the lipstick is. Oh, I thought it is a applicator kind of a lipstick, but no, it is a bullet lipstick. I was completely wrong. And the shade is also super beautiful. It is a deep maroonish kind of a shade. Oh my god, this lipstick is so butter-like, and it is super easy to work with. I don't think this is transfer proof, but the shade itself is super good, and the lipstick itself is really of good quality. I just love freebies, by the way. Who doesn't like free things, guys? Everybody does. कोई बोलता नहीं है बस. Okay, so now all the products that I'm going to be showing are my repetitive purchases. So starting off with Ordinary serum. So first one is the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. This is used by my sister, and this serum is the Ordinary Retinol 0.5% in squalene serum. This is used by my mom and my dad. So I got a restock of these two serums as my parents and my sister uses this, and they really enjoy using this serum. And both of this serum contains 30 ml of product and is super good. The Ordinary don't provide any discount even if sale is going on, so I purchased it in full price. So yeah, now moving on to the next product. The next product is this Venus razor, and this is the Gillette Venus Smooth Combo Pack. It is the aloe vera variant one. I even showed this in my previous video also. So this is the next pack, and it is full brand new. As you can see, it is fully sealed. You are supposed to change the cartridges every 3 to 4 uses. So this is my next purchase, and this shaving kit is super good. And if you just lather a foaming soap in your body and you just glide these razors, and it will not give any harsh cuts or bumps, and that's the reason I got a new pack of this razor. You can also give it a shot if you love shaving your body, so this is a good one, I must say. Okay, so the last products are face moisturizer, and these are also repetitive purchase as I mentioned. So this is for me and my sister, and this is for my mom and my dad. This is the Pond's Ultra Light Gel, and this is the Mamaearth Upton Ultra Light Gel. So me and my family loves using this gel consistency moisturizer, as it is not so greasy in the summers, neither too much dry in the winters. It gives the adequate amount of moisture that is needed even during summers or winters. And I always get a backup of these moisturizers even before they get over. So these are the most used moisturizer in my house. Yeah, these are my last things that I want to show and share with you all. So we are towards the end of this Nykaa shopping haul video / recommendation video, and before this sale gets over, that is on 18th of May, the sale will get over. Don't forget to grab your hands some amazing products on huge discounts. And yes, all the links of the products that I have mentioned in this video are mentioned in the description box below. Do not forget to check the description box. And yes, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then, bye bye.